Hello, welcome to tuitionbooks.com. In this session, we are going to understand actually how our e-learning platform really works. Okay, the platform is hosted on cloud, and whatever transactions you are doing on the platform, right, it's all secure. We have the GoDaddy security SSL certificate. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you have to click here on get started now, or you click on all courses, or you can go through you can navigate through the categories actually, or you can click on individual course. So how really it works actually, you can click on get started now. Okay, so it will list down all the courses, so which course you want to take. Okay, so I will highlight here Oracle Identity Manager. It's a admin course. It's a 100% administrative course. Okay, so click on any of the course which you want to opt for. Okay, so it will give you some basic detail like the course is 35 hours, right? You will get so there are a total 33 videos actually, one additional videos, and all installation videos are free. Okay, you will also get Linux based VirtualBox image for hands-on. Okay, it's a 100% practical course with hands-on approach. Okay, you can also access the the live batch, okay, which I take over the WebEx. Okay, those who have taken the course, they will receive the invite to join the live classes as well. Okay, but live classes will cover all the session which is already been provided. Okay, so you can see here, right, if you click here on curriculum, okay, you will see there are some free sessions actually. You can all installation videos are free actually for the Oracle courses. Okay, so you can see here what is Oracle Identity Governance, right? Okay, so here you will find some some extracts, okay, out of what is being covered in the video actually. Okay, so there you will find video, you can see the video. So if you want good quality, right, you can click here on HD. Okay, and you can ensure that you can watch in 720p HD. Okay, so now if you play this video, it will be in HD.
Okay, so now we are going to understand actually what is Oracle Identity.
You also got here a voice controller. You can control the voice. Okay, you will see here the quality of the content. Okay, what is being so the videos are in HD, so you can you can thoroughly understand, okay, or observe actually. Okay, so a point is, right, so this course, right, has similarly, right, certain courses will have some free videos. Okay, so here has this video is also free, right? If you scroll down, this video is also free. Okay, similarly, so randomly certain videos are free. Okay, for our viewers to see actually, okay, certain sample out of the course. Okay, so once so point is, as part of the course, right, you will also find here the course contents. Okay, document. So what we are covering here actually, okay, so you can see here download course contents. Click on the link. Okay, so you can see here, right, we are covering here. Okay, you can download this document actually. Okay, so before you start, right, you require before you take this course, because we say that it's 100% practical course, we don't cover we do not play any PPT kind of thing. It's a 100% hands-on driven course. So whatever we demonstrate, the same thing you can also carry out actually, you can do in your VirtualBox environment. Okay, so how exactly the course works actually? Okay, so all you require is a laptop or desktop with the with the i3 second generation onwards, any processor. Okay, because the reason is i3 second generation onwards, all the processor, right, they come up with the 2 memory slots. Okay, so you can put 8 GB and 8 GB, and you can make any laptop irrespective of what your vendor says. Okay, let's say you have got, so right now I got HP laptop. Okay, or if you have Lenovo ThinkPad. Okay, So any i3 second generation onwards, okay, if you have i5, i7, second generation onwards, any laptop, that's perfect because it will have 2 memory slots. So just don't go after what the vendor of the product says. Okay, trust me, I already have the I already had actually Lenovo ThinkPad, okay, i5 third generation. I put two 8 GB RAM there, even though Lenovo website doesn't say so. Okay, so point is, right, any that it's by design actually, okay, because the processor, right, i3 second generation onwards, these processor mandatorily require 2 memory slots. They come up with 2 memory slots actually. Okay, so you can put 8 GB to upgrade your laptop or desktop to a compatible 16 GB RAM system. Okay, 16 GB RAM is mandatory. That's the only precondition for the course. Okay, so before you opt for the course, make sure that you have 16 GB RAM available and apply this trick, okay, to upgrade your laptop or desktop to 16 GB RAM. Okay, so you can buy separately compatible RAM. Okay, you can if you have any challenge, okay, you can always drop us mail, or you can give a call, right? Okay, so as part of the course, right, once you have the i3 second generation onwards any system, right, you can download the VirtualBox image. I will show you that. Okay, and then you can start with the videos actually. So installation phase is totally free, right, wherein we will install all the product components. Let me assure you, as part of the OIM administration, we are not leaving a single button, single feature unexplained. We are covering each and every feature which is there in the PS3, which is the latest version as of now. Okay, so in configuration and integration phase, we will integrate with all the known directory services actually. Okay, first we'll understand how you can how you configure OID, OVD, ODSM, how OID, OVD startup, logging, troubleshooting, everything we will cover. How you extend OID schema for OIM. Okay, we'll understand Oracle Virtual Directory. We'll create adapters of OID in OVD. Okay, we'll also create adapter of Active Directory, OUD, okay, in OVD. Okay, then we will configure the OIM domain. We will do certain activities to get our environment up and running, right? What all components are there, every detail you will find there. We will also integrate OIM with the OID. I will show you all the directory services actually. I will show you how you can integrate OIM with the OID, OVD, OUD. OUD is unfortunately not listed here, but it's been integrated, and Microsoft Active Directory, which is very, very important. OIM will be integrated with the Microsoft Active Directory to demonstrate how LTAP sync works actually. Okay, it's a feature. Okay, we'll also talk about it. It's very easy to do. I sometimes it puzzles me actually that why people are so stuck on the installation. Installation and high availability setup is not a big deal actually. You can easily do it. Okay, so point is, right, then we will move into a core OIM administration topic, right? How you start the OIM stack. Okay, there's a separate session. What all interfaces are there? There's a separate session. How LTAP sync really works. Okay, what is LTAP sync? What is bulk load? Through how you from the from the CSV file as well as from a database table, how you do the bulk load of of users, roles, role membership, role hierarchy, or what all these things are. Actually, it's been it's been explained thoroughly. Okay, so we will also understand how you can do the trusted application integration with the OIM, as well as target application integration with the OIM. I have thoroughly explained all the ICF based connectors actually, which you will find in the connector bundle, right? Then we have configured a sample application, trusted application with the 2000 users. We have also installed the connector of it, and then I have demonstrated what all things are required for the trusted reconciliation. Okay, so all operation of trusted reconciliation, whether it's a create, delete, or modify, has been demonstrated. Okay, along with the associated HR operations. Okay, so it is being covered in greater detail, right? Then provisioning configuration, actually what is IT source, sandbox, application instance, or object form, how you how you do the lookup configuration actually for various target applications. Okay, and moreover the course will give you a confidence to integrate any application whose out of box connector is available. Okay, so that's the aim of the course. Okay, then I have covered all type of provisioning, actually a direct provisioning, auto or criteria based provisioning, right? In PS3 there are new things actually, like approval rules, how you work on them, right? What is request profile, request draft, right? How request based provisioning really works, right? I have also highlighted the SOA workflow part, right? Okay, so what is the provisioning flow, how you troubleshoot provisioning related issues, right? What is account or target reconciliation, I have covered thoroughly. Okay, entitlement lifecycle management, I have covered thoroughly, wherein e-business suite responsibilities, as well as AD groups, as well as let's say if you have RACF profiles. Okay, RACF is again separate application, so all these appear in OIM as entitlements. Okay, so e-business suite responsibilities appear as entitlement in OIM. So how you handle these entitlements in OIM, this is being thoroughly covered. How temporal access really works, okay, based on time. Okay, how access really works. Okay, because sometimes certain users need to be given certain time period access, so it's a new feature actually. How organizational security, home organization policy, dynamic organization, right, password policy, because they all are linked actually. See, the course is covered in such a way that I will pick a use case and I will show you how you can achieve that use case. Okay, so we will make a statement. Okay, a use case is nothing but a statement actually. I will explain, I will maintain a running notes throughout the course, right? So based on that we will work. How you configure proxy email templates, how OIM logging, auditing, troubleshooting and monitoring really works. Okay, we have also integrated OIM with the BI publisher. Okay, so there are 9 types of reports. Okay, with data I have shown all these reports. Okay, you can we have also covered actually how you can create a customized OIM admin role, what all default roles are there, what is the top organization, right? What are the self-service capabilities actually, like password reset, and there are a lot of things actually around it. What is diagnostic dashboard for troubleshooting? There are a lot of issues actually which you can solve using diagnostic dashboard. Disconnected application instances are being greatly covered end to end. Okay, sandbox, how you move your configuration artifacts from one environment to another environment. So sandbox and deployment manager is thoroughly being explained. And there are a lot of new features actually in the PS3, like identity audit, certification. Okay, so how you work on certification, it's a wonderful feature actually. 100% in 100% practical manner, all the buttons features has been explained thoroughly. The course is designed in such a way that you will never forget, right, what all what all activities are required to do things, and with hands on. Okay, because without practical exposure, right, it's tough to do a job as well, right? Okay, so a certification feature is thoroughly being covered. Certification configuration, how you create definition, how you do the risk configuration, what is dashboard, certification task, event listener, right? Certification related audit report in BI publisher, multi-phase certification, right, offline certification, closed loop remediation. Okay, and end-to-end flow of certification is covered with two different use cases actually. Okay, so a point is, right, uh, then we have, it's again a new feature actually, working with the identity audit, segregation of duties. Okay, how you configure the audit rule, how you do the configuration of it, right? How you define policies, how you define the scan definition. Actually, you have preventative as well as detective scan definitions. Okay, what all policy, SOD policy violations are there, how you do the remediation of these. Okay, what is preventative and detective identity audit. So all the audit related, identity audit related feature has been greatly covered. Okay, and similarly we have also covered the new feature of PS3, which is rule lifecycle management. So all the topics, right, 28, 29 and 30 are PS3 related features. Okay, so how exactly the course works? So you can go through the course contents. So each course contents we will cover in a 100% practical manner. You won't find, that's our motto as well actually. Okay, so if you click on about us, right, So our aim is to to deliver all the courses in a 100% practical manner. Okay, so that I'm keep on insisting, right? So if you click here on about, right? Okay, so you can see here, to make technical learning practical, hands-on driven, and job oriented for learners across the world. Okay, so point is, right, so that's our that's our aim, right? That whatever courses we offer it with 100% practical approach. Okay, so how really this e-learning platform works? Okay, so once you have analyzed the contents, okay, that what you will receive, right, then I will show you actually that how it's a 100% interactive 100% interactive website actually. Okay, so you have to click here on take this course. Okay, you have to proceed to checkout. Okay, provide your billing details. Okay, so make sure you provide proper billing detail because it will generate invoice. Okay, so point is, right, when you click on take this course, okay, there are certain things you will get actually. Okay, you will get invoice, okay, from from our website tuitionbooks.com. Okay, from tuitionbooks.com as well as from PayPal. Okay, for global users, and for India it is PayUmoney actually. Okay, so they are our integration partner, payment gateway integration partner. Okay, so you have to provide here all your billing information, and you have to click here on proceed to PayPal. Okay, so once you make the make sure you provide proper billing detail because it will and using your email address. Okay, and it will also ask you to set the password actually using your email address and the password. Anyhow, even if you forgot, you can reset it up. Okay, so that's not a problem. Okay, so how exactly it works actually? So you have to click on proceed to PayPal. It will automatically create your account in the web in the website actually, because we are already asking the detail like email and the account password. Okay, so when you click on proceed to PayPal, right, you have to make the payment. You can make the payment from PayPal via your credit card or your debit card or online banking, right? Okay, so once the payment is done, right, you will get two invoice. Okay, so one invoice will come from the tuitionbooks.com. Okay, which you can reimburse if you want, right, that you have taken this course from our website. Okay, and as well as PayPal, and the PayPal for global users, and for Indian users PayUmoney will generate a digital invoice. Okay, so so once so once you click on proceed to PayPal, right? Okay, so it will send you it will send you email with the two invoice, right? Okay, and you will also get the email with account created. Okay, okay, it will also create the account, right? You will also get the email. When you click on the the account created email, right, it will it will ask you to log in actually. Okay, so then you can log in with the so I have created one sample account. I will show you that. Okay, actually once you make the payment, right, it will do the redirection, okay, back to the back to the website. Okay, and automatically the course will be enabled for you. Okay, so you will be redirected to this page wherein you will find start this course. Instead of take this course, you will find start this course option will be enabled for you. Okay, so you can click on start this course. Okay, so when you will find the start this course link being enabled. Okay, once you do the once you do the payment, okay, during the payment a billing detail, right? So once you provide the billing detail, okay, at this time, right, at the billing detail it will also create the account actually. Okay, so account creation will be done at this time, right, when you provide the billing detail. And once you do the payment, right, from PayPal or PayUmoney, it will automatically send the two invoice. Okay, you will be redirected actually from PayPal or PayUmoney. There will be redirection. Okay, redirection to tuitionbooks.com. Okay, and whatever course you have taken, right, so you will be redirected to that. Okay, so once you will be redirected to that, right, you will find, okay, you will find instead of take this course, For lifetime, because whatever contents we are providing, there's unlimited access actually. Okay, for lifetime you will have all the contents access. Okay, so pay once and access all the contents for lifetime. Okay, so this is how it works actually. Okay, so once it will do the redirection, right? You have to click on start course. Okay, start course. Okay, so that link you have to click. Okay, so account creation I already highlighted. Once you do the billing, right, at this time account will be created. Once you make the payment, okay, you will receive two invoice, one from the tuitionbooks.com and second from the PayPal integration, PayPal or PayUmoney. Then once you make the payment from PayPal or PayUmoney and PayPal will redirect you to tuitionbooks.com. Okay, and there, start this course will be enabled for you. Okay, so it will be no longer continue this course, take this course. It will be now start this course. So you can log in with your credential and you can click on anytime actually if you don't want to proceed. So you will find here, so point is, right, you will find on the right side you will find the navigation panel. Okay, so you can click here on start this course. Okay, this is the very first section actually. Okay, so you are right now, this arrow will show you actually that you are on the overview of Oracle Identity Governance. Okay, so you can watch this video, understand how Oracle Identity Governance really works. Okay, then you come to the very important section, which is hands-on download section. Okay, so how hands-on download section really works. Okay, see, first you have to download and install the VirtualBox software. Okay, VirtualBox for the Windows. Okay, and then you have to download. Okay, so this is the option one, which you have to download the VirtualBox software. Okay, second is you have to download a 14 GB VirtualBox image. Okay, with it will have all the OIM software, so you need not to separately download and struggle with the it's a pre-configured Linux image. Please focus on the words, is the pre-configured Linux image. It's not that pre-installed. You have to do the installation actually. Every a database. So video, so the very the very first video, which is products required in OIM and DB installation onwards. Okay, you have to do actually. Okay, so it will give you the so once you follow this section, right, you will be able to set up the VirtualBox image. So first you need to install and there's a video instruction as well actually, that how you are going to set it up actually. Okay, so first install the VirtualBox software, download this 14 GB image. Somehow if there's a issue with the download, okay, that you are not able to download 14 GB image, you can download the 2 GB image. Okay, and you can seek our support. Okay, there's a one-to-one support is also available. Okay, so point is, right, once you have taken this course, right, the very first activity which you have to do is download and install VirtualBox image. Okay, so you have to set up the VirtualBox image first. Okay, because when we say it's a hands-on driven course, it doesn't mean that watch the videos. Actually, there's no point watching the videos if you are not doing the hands-on. Watch the videos, parallelly do the hands-on. Okay, so this is how you can say it works. We will also offer you, I will come to that actually. You can also download, so first let's focus on this. So once you download and install the VirtualBox image, very simple, Windows installer, right, exe, next, finish. Then there's a, you download this 14 GB image. Okay, if 14 GB image fails to download, then only you go with the 2 GB image actually. Okay, and seek our support. So here in this option, you require our support. Okay, we will guide you from where you will find all the all the softwares which you need to and how you put them into your VirtualBox environment. You need to follow the environment, you need to follow the videos. Okay, so once you follow the video, what you will get actually, you will get the Linux environment. Okay, so in the Linux environment you have to log in as root and credentials is Oracle. It's already being highlighted in the video actually. Okay, so this video you have to follow. Okay, so this video will help you set up the Linux environment. Okay, so once you have the Linux environment, right, okay, I will quickly walk through actually what kind of environment you will get. Okay, so you will find that it's a pre-configured Linux. Okay, in the file system in the file system. Okay, you will find in the stage folder all the products will be there unzipped. Okay, it's product unzipped there. Database 12c is there, OIM connector is there, OUD is there, WebLogic is there, right? SOA is there, and there are some scripts actually which is required. RCO is there, bundle patch is there, right? IM suite, IDM suite, JDK, OIM connector bundle. So all these components you will find there. Okay, you will find the required directory structure is empty. Okay, so it will be empty actually in this case. I have installed, already installed here some product, but in your case, right, the image will have all these empty files and folders. You have to start everything, from the scratch. Okay, so similarly, okay, you will also find U01 mount point will be empty, D01 will be empty. Okay, and then what you have to do actually, okay, you have to start with the, so you can also, so point is, once you set up the VirtualBox image, then you have to go to the next section. Okay, so point is, right, if you see the arrow here, right, you are right now on this section. Okay, so now next section is OIM running notes. You can download the OIM running notes actually. Okay, so OIM running notes is like this. Okay, so what you will, once you download and download, install and set up VirtualBox image, right? Second is, once you have your image ready, right, wherein I already explained actually what you will find in the stage folder, what you will in the very first video actually. Okay, so point is, once you download, install and set up the VirtualBox image, okay, you can also download the running notes actually. Okay, running note. Okay, so this is the running notes for OIM. Okay, so wherein in the installation phase, what command exactly you need to fire, right? So running note is something which is a practical note. Okay, you can carry in your workspace as well, right? It has all the practical stuff actually, that what all things are required throughout the course. Okay, so it's a very lengthy document. Okay, so in identity audit, right, and for logging, where the logs are recorded, what is diagnostic dashboard, a brief overview of it, right, and how you configure, how you deploy all these things. Okay, so running note is something which will give you a practical steps, what all practical steps are required actually, okay, to achieve certain things. Okay, so account reconciliation, how to apply a latest patch, right, what all things are required. So point is, all the 32 course videos actually. Okay, so you can access, you can download the running notes. Okay, then you have to move to the next page. Okay, so next phase is, or you can see, you can either click on here, right? Okay, or you can go through, you can navigate through this next unit. Okay, so you can click here and you can download the running notes, then click here on next unit. Okay, so on the next unit, right, is the is the video 1. Okay, which you can which you can watch. Okay, so video 1 talks about so then, right, this running notes will come into handy. Okay, so I have explained actually the practical environment. Okay, which you will which you will find. Okay, so you can download one PDF which will give you, it's a free video actually, so you can of course you can watch it. Okay, for for initial overview, you can download a very beautiful PDF document, which highlights in a broader way actually, that what all component, what all software, what versions, and a brief of what all products are there, like WebLogic, why it is required, SOA, what is it, why it is required, what is IDM suite. Okay, and what all components are there in IDM suite, like OID, OVD, ODSM, right, and Oracle Identity Federation, right. So this document clearly gives you a brief overview, right, like OIM suite or IM suite. In that you will have OIM, OAM, what these products will do, Adaptive Access Manager, Privilege Account Manager, right. You have access management, mobile and social, right, mobile security suite, PI publisher, right, high availability architecture, right. So it will give you a brief overview of how really it works. You can also download the certification matrix, because installation is done based on the certification matrix. Then this video will talk about how you, so these are all our practical steps actually, the same you will find in the running notes. So they are nothing but reflection of running notes actually. Okay, that what all practical steps are required. So in order to watch the video, right, you have to make sure that if you want to ensure quality, click on 720p and watch this video. Okay, I'll just lower the
Hi. So we are
so
going
a
to
point
start.
is
You have to focus on the only four
so
parameters actually, which are mandatory. Okay, or as per the one.
so you can see here, right? In a high quality you can see the videos. Okay, and you can also download associated product component. Okay, so throughout the right now we are in the we are in the very first, you can say, video. Okay, so the same activity you can do in your in your virtualbox image. Okay, so you can launch the run installer, right, of database. You need to install the run install, install the database, then so it's all you will find in the practical environment which you will get in the when you download the virtualbox image. Okay, so this is how this is how the complete course works. So as you move, right, so you will do the in your virtualbox environment, you will do the installation phase, you will complete that. Okay, RCU you will complete. Okay, so installation is anyhow not a big task. I don't give too much of importance to the installation because our courses here start after installation. Okay, so then you can move into configuration integration phase, right? How you configure OID, OVD, and how you extend various directory services actually for OIM, right? Okay, and then how you create the domain. Okay, so all these things is, and how you configure the LDAP sync actually. Okay, so LDAP sync is being greatly highlighted here. Okay, so all these things you will find very handy. Okay, the interface is explained, LDAP sync is explained actually with the AD. Okay, the context is explained, so when you watch the video it will all make a broader sense. Okay, as you move forward. Okay, so this is how this is how the course works actually. Okay, so you pay once. Okay, your account will be created for the lifetime access. Okay, and you will also a lifetime access to all course contents. Okay, okay, so including the virtualbox image and all the videos. Okay, running notes, as well as PDFs. Okay, and there are various links also being provided actually to various documentations. Okay, if you want to read more theory, because we are not covering the theory part, but theory will make sense if you do things practically. Okay, so keep that in mind. Theory will not make Oracle documentation theory is goes into hundreds of pages, and it doesn't make sense actually. Okay, to go through the theory, but our course will ensure, right, that once you understand something practically, you do the hands-on, and then you go and read the theory. It will make 100% sense actually, whatever that theory will say. Else it doesn't make much sense to me actually personally, and this is not our approach as well, right? Okay, so you'll find lifetime access to course contents. Okay, and optionally, right, you can also go for the live classes. Okay, so as and when I start the live class, I will send the notification. I take live classes at one time. I take only one live class. Okay, but whenever I start the batch, you will get the notification. All those who have taken the course, right, they will get the notification. Or you can reach us actually over our email. You can drop us mail on info@tuitionbooks.com. Okay, or you can give us a call. Okay, so either way it's fine, right? And there's a one-to-one support as well on this VirtualBox image setup. Okay, one-to-one support. You can drop us mail, you can call us if you have any issue, right, on setting up the VirtualBox image, or if you have any doubt, you can call us. You can you can drop us mail. Okay, but make sure, okay, that you once you subscribe to the course, you set up the VirtualBox image. That is very, very important, and we understand that it's it will give you the platform, right, to follow the rest of the stuff. Okay, so for that, that's why we offer one-to-one support on VirtualBox image setup. Okay, so then you can start with the rest of the contents. Okay, so this is how actually the how actually each course work. Okay, so whether it's Oracle Identity Manager, or whether it's Oracle Access Manager, OIM development, we are also going to launch the OPAM course. Okay, so this is how this is how it will work, and you will find that whatever contents we are covering actually, okay, in live class, right, as well as in the, so live class will cover the same content which is already being hosted on the website. Okay, so in the OIM admin I won't cover anything additional, right, which is there, which is already been which is not being uploaded already. Okay, so you will find all the sections, right, we will cover the same in the live class as well. Okay, so but point is there's no difference actually whether you go for the self-paced course or or the or the live class. There's no much difference. Okay, because in live class also we will cover the same contents. Okay, self-paced will but mind it, it's joining the live class is optional. Actually, it's totally up to you. If you want to join, you can join the live class. Okay, if you are satisfied with the self-paced course, then be that way. But anyhow, okay, with that I conclude this. Okay, so I have explained actually how our e-learning platform works. Okay, and once you have subscribed to the course, start course will be enabled. You must download the virtualbox image first, ask for one-to-one support, download the running notes, download the products, go through some initial slides. Okay, and then exactly our course starts with the 35 hours course. In case if you have any issue, any problem, right, you can you can reach us through contact us page. Okay, or you can drop us mail, or you can give a direct call if you feel it's urgent, something something critical required. Okay, so with that we conclude this session. Thanks.